Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Wow, all my friends, family, customer and lovers. God bless you everyone. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you for the love and thank you for the patronize. Thank you so much everyone. I really appreciate you. This is your one and only Iyalaje Makeup and Gele, the magic finger, the CEO Iyalaje kan Gele kan London kan Iyalaje gbogbo London. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà o. La 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 ṣe wà o. Ẹ̀yin tí Iyalaje Makeup and Gele ṣe wà o. La 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 ṣe wà. Ẹ ṣé ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́, ẹ ṣé kú fẹ́ mi, ẹ ṣé tẹ́. In fact, I don't know what to say. I always appreciate you guys because without you guys, who is Iyalaje? Yeah, I always say that. Thank you so much, everyone, and I wish you guys all the best. This is month of Christmas, and very soon we're in New Year. So, thank you. When you see this my video, share it, like it, and if you are not part of this my family before, what are you waiting for? Be family of Iyalaje. This my page is about beauty. Wow, we have to look beautiful. We have to look gorgeous. You know, we ladies would like something beautiful. So thank you, everyone. I really appreciate you, and God bless you, especially all my YouTuber friends. Wow, you guys, you're amazing. Thank you so much for the support, and especially my family in my page. Ẹ wò, jẹ́ gbé body fáwọn tèmi lórí page. Ẹ wò, let me gbé body, let me shake it for them. Paid people, ẹ wò, I die for you, Joe. Ọ̀gá, you are number one. I have amazing family in my page, amazing support. Wow, you guys, you are supporting me. God Almighty, God will support you, and especially my friends in my YouTube as well. Oh, let me shake it, let me gbé body, Iyalaje onígèlè, Iyalaje onígèlè one. Iyalaje kan Gele kan London kan gorgeous Iyalaje ó pọ̀. Very soon we are 2021. We have to package it. We have to do it in a good way, in a different way. So thank you. Wow, and especially all my family in my Facebook as well. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ orí wọn dúró síbẹ̀. Kò fọ́ká ó dúró ni. Ẹ̀yin YouTube friend mi, ẹ̀yin Facebook friend mi, and all my friends in my Instagram, thank you, my ID. God bless you, everyone. I really love you. I really appreciate. Okay, let us go straight to the business. What is the reason why I'm here today? Congratulations to me. Congratulations to Iyalaje. Now, my YouTube, we get a membership. Yay! Congratulations to Iyalaje. Thank you, everyone, my friends. To God be the glory. My YouTube now, we have membership, and I have 3 types of membership. So this first one, reason why I opened this membership is because of a lot of my friends or a lot of family or people that, you know, this small YouTuber, they are still coming on the way. So how they are going to grow? So we have to help them, we have to support them. So that is the reason why Iyalaje, I just thinking, I said, let me do my membership so that I can be able to help others. So this my video today. If you are a new YouTuber, you want to grow your YouTube, free contact Iyalaje. I'll put it through and I'll assist you and I'll help you when you are part of this my membership. If you are part of my membership, you are free. Even if you want to learn something about beauty, about makeup, how you can grow your YouTube, how you can get your new subscriber quick, how you can get your watch hour, a lot of support that will support you. We have a lot of people, friends outside there. Maybe, you know, some people have YouTube since more than 2 years, 3 years, but they are still there. But let me say something. Very soon we are month of New Year. Very soon say New Year, New Year, New Year. So we have to grow. We have to grow. So let me go straight to my business. Straight to the point. So the membership, I have 3 types. The first one is Iyalaje Love. It's Iyalaje Love. Sorry, my friends. My phone is ringing, but don't bother. Iyalaje Love is £1.99. So the £1.99, when you join me for, someone just called me on my phone. Yes, so my membership, I have 3. The number 1 is Iyalaje Love. It's just £1.99. So when you join me in that one, when you join Iyalaje membership £1.99, when you are doing your live stream, I will come there, I will support you, I will share you out. Then if you need any other support, then when you come to my live stream or you are doing anything, I will shout out your name, I will welcome you. Then the second one is £4.99. That is Iyalaje Lovers. Iyalaje Lovers. That is Iyalaje lovers. That is true that you love your Iyalaje. So when you support me with that one, when you join my membership, you need some support for your subscribe, for your watch hour, I will support you. Then when you upload your video, I'll watch it, I will support you, and I will share it out for you. Then if there is any other support, contact me and I'll do it for you. You know, there is a lot of things that I can support you, but you know, all my friends, I can't say everything here, but when you join my membership, trust me, I'll show you the way. Then the number 3, wow, Iyalaje family. Let me play music for that one. Hey, Iyalaje family. We have to dance. Yay. That is for number 3. Oh, make you see the way the thing they hot. Iyalaje beauty, oh, Iyalaje magic finger. Number 1 níbi ká ṣojú lókè àti ká tún yá gèlè. Oh, Iyalaje magic finger. Ṣé bá wá fẹ́ ṣe náà lóríṣiríṣi tẹ́. So all my family, all my friends, I was saying, I just say let me load the music. Do you see a lot of dance for the number 3? So the number 3 is Iyalaje family. Iyalaje family. So when you are Iyalaje family, trust me, you got everything. That is all the full package. Then how much are we talking about? It's £12.99. It's £12.99. You know, Iyalaje, I'm somebody simple and easy, and I like to give someone like full support. We have to support each other. You know something? This life sometimes it's not about money, but when you are doing something, when you take a little, then you try to support. So join my membership, and you that you are Iyalaje family, for my membership, any help, any assistance, when you are Iyalaje family, trust me, even you can ask me anything about makeup, I'll put it through. You can ask me anything about gele, I'll put it through. You can ask me any other thing, definitely I'm going to put it through, because you are Iyalaje family. So when you are family, you got everything. You have to get a good result from your Iyalaje. So that is it. Join Iyalaje membership. To God be the glory. You are welcome, all my family, all my friends. And if you are having some issue about your subscribe as well, contact Iyalaje. I'll help you. If you are having issue for your watch hour, contact me. I'll put it through. And if you are especially small YouTuber, when you are coming on the way, try to join Iyalaje membership. I have a lot of group, so I'm going to put it through. So God bless everyone for your full support, and even a lot of my friends that are YouTuber. If you feel like joining Iyalaje membership, you are welcome. You can join me. God bless you. Thank you so much, everyone. Congratulations to Iyalaje, the magic finger, the CEO, Iyalaje kan, gèlè kan, London. Tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wá o? La ṣe wá. Ẹ̀yin tí Iyalaje makeup and gèlè ṣe wá o. Ẹ̀yin tí Iyalaje magic finger, ẹ̀yin tí Iyalaje, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kó wa jẹ indomie lọ́mọ, spaghetti lọ́mọ. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the love, and thank you for the subscribe. Share this my video, like it, and I leave a comment under below. And if you are an old subscriber, God bless you. And if you are new, what are you waiting for? Be part of Iyalaje family. And a lot of friends, if you watch this my video in my YouTube or in my Facebook or in my page, if you have any issue, or if you are a YouTuber, free. You know Iyalaje, I'm simple. Just contact me. And if you have your wedding, your birthday, your engagement, your photo shoot, book us. 2021 is on the way, so we are ready. To God be the glory. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much, everybody. I love you. And let me use this opportunity. I have this my amazing cream. It's a black soap. That is the secret. That's what Iyalaje I'm using. It's not for bleaching, but the cream, wow, the soap. If you have some black spots on your face, just put it 10 minutes. Trust your Iyalaje. Hey, it will take it away. You see it, and it's very nice when you use it to black. When you use it to bath, hey, oh, our daddy, they will love it. Even man can use it. And we have the, if you have issue, black knuckle, you can use it as well. This cream is very nice. Look at me. No, I don't have knuckle, so because I use this cream, that is what I'm using. That is the secret. Look at it. And this is the body cream as well. It's very nice. So I'll leave the number. You can get it from Nigeria, and if you can get it here in London, from your Iyalaje, from your gorgeous Iyalaje, your Iyalaje kan, Gele kan, London kan, America kan, Germany kan, Italo kan, Spain kan, Holland kan, Norway kan, Iyalaje gbogbo London. And this is the face cream as well. So you have face cream and you have face cleanser. Let me show you the face cleanser also. So you can contact me. That's why I say when you are Iyalaje membership, oh, you can get in touch with me. And I have this my amazing bag for all my friends for the new year. This is the cleanser. It's very nice. Novi. Oh my God. Look at it, guys. You see it? And the contact number is there. I'll put it under below. Let me see if you can see the number also. Can you see the number? Yes. You see the number. So thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. God bless you. You see, it's natural 100%. Yeah, this is the number. Let me see. Are you seeing the number? Yes. Yeah. Are you seeing the number like that? Yeah. This is the number. Yeah, you see. So God bless. No. Scuse. Aspetta, ragazzi. Va bene. So thank you, everyone. God bless you. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Ciao tutti. Arrivederci. Ciao. Ciao.